Your bank account is lying to you. What if I told you that the money in your pocket is already becoming obsolete? Not in 50 years, not in 20. Right now, banks are changing, governments are watching, and the way you earn, spend, and grow money is about to shift forever. Most people won't see it coming until it's too late. Today, I'm going to show you the future of money. And trust me, it will shock you. But today, you will. Welcome to invesYou, your wealth, your way, where we break down money, investing, and financial freedom, so anyone can win. Right now, there is a global war being fought over the very definition of money. Most people think the money in their pocket is real. But in the next 10 years, the way you earn, spend, and even think about a dollar will feel like science fiction. Before we talk about the future, we need to understand the present. And to understand the present, we need to answer a simple question. What is money? Most people say, it's the cash in my wallet. It's the number in my bank account. It's what I use to buy stuff. But money is actually technology, a tool humans invented to solve a problem. Thousands of years ago, we traded goods directly, wheat for goats, tools for food. But that system was slow and messy, so humans created something better, a universal token of trust. Over time, money evolved, shell and beads, gold and silver, paper backed by gold, paper backed by nothing, digital number in a bank, and now, programmable digital assets. We're moving from money you hold to money that watches you. Today, I'll show you why the future of money will shock you and how to prepare before the old system leaves you behind. Cash is disappearing. In some countries, less than 5% of transactions use physical money. Even vending machines take tap payments now. Meet Sarah. She grew up hearing cash is king. She keeps an emergency stash under her mattress. But last week in downtown Manhattan, the sign read, "No cash accepted." We're witnessing the massive evaporation of physical currency. In 2024, only about 13% of global transactions involved physical cash. By 2030, that could fall to 10% or less. Digital payments are faster, cheaper, trackable, and convenient, but they also raise big questions about privacy and control. When money becomes fully digital, it stops being a thing and starts being data. Think of cryptocurrencies. Crypto isn't just internet money. It is a new financial infrastructure. Image, sending money anywhere in the world in seconds, with no bank, no middleman, no permission needed. That's the power of blockchain. Simple analogy. Think of money like books. The old world was a hardcover on your shelf. You own it, you move it, and no one knows you're reading it. Future money is like a Kindle book. You access it, the provider can see what page you're on, and if they want, they can hit delete. Convenience wins until it costs you control. Whether you love or hate crypto, one thing is undeniable. It changed how the world thinks about money. Cash is declining not just by choice, but by design. The more money becomes data, the more rules can be written into it. Next, the most powerful writer of those rules. Enter CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. This is the part that usually shocks people. Over 130 countries, representing about 98% of global GDP, are exploring CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Imagine this: your money is fully digital. Your money is securely stored in a wallet under government control, trackable in real time. Think of CBDCs as a digital version of national currency, but issued by the central bank, not your commercial bank. Bitcoin is decentralized, no one in charge. A CBDC is centralized. Effectively, the government is the bank. Imagine your tax refund doesn't come as a check. It appears instantly in a government-issued app. Smooth, immediate. But convenience can hide a lever. CBDCs enable programmable money. Here's the part most people don't think about. It could be programmed, meaning where you spend, when you spend, even if you can spend. This is where the future of money gets uncomfortable. Rules could say, this money expires, that money only buys food, or it can't be spent outside your city. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's a technical capability in active policy discussions. AI is already analyzing markets, detecting fraud, approving loans, and managing portfolios. Imagine a carbon credit system. Your wallet refuses a stake because you've hit your CO2 limit this month. Some will argue that's responsible. Others will call it control. Both can be true. Rules aren't neutral, they're choices. The question becomes, who chooses for you? People want fraud protection and instant settlement. They also want freedom. Friction lives in the middle. CBDCs change what money can do. Next, the invisible economy changes how you pay, without doing anything at all. The future of money isn't just digital, it's invisible. Your body becomes the credit card, face, palm, even gait. It feels like magic until you realize the trade-off. Every movement becomes a financial data point. Buy 3 donuts a day for a week and watch your insurance algorithm notice. What's the price of convenience? And who's reading your balance sheet of life? AI will sit between you and your money, pausing what looks unusual. Is that AI working for you, your bank, or your government? Invisible systems need visible rights. Settings shouldn't be privileges, they should be protections. While governments iterate on CBDCs, the private sector built something else: stablecoins. And they might be the reason your local bank looks very different in 5 years. Stablecoins are digital tokens pegged to a stable asset, often the dollar, moving at internet speed. Even JP Morgan has JPM coin. Payments giants integrate on-ramps. If I can send $1 million across an ocean in 2 seconds for 5 cents, why wait 5 days and pay 40? We're entering disintermediation, cutting out the middleman. Money flows simplify. Savings may migrate to high-yield digital vaults. A slow-motion bank run is possible as people vote with their wallets. Literally. New rails, new risks. Banks won't vanish. They'll rewire around APIs and services. Peer-to-peer will dominate day-to-day value transfer. Your identity will be tied to your wallet. Digital IDs will connect your identity to your money. These changes could make life easier. No more passwords, no more lost cards. Instant final settlement changes small business lifeblood. Main Street moves from waiting to winning if they adapt. Control becomes a choice you make. Convenience versus sovereignty. So how do you prepare, protect privacy, and grow wealth on new rails? Learn digital finance early. Crypto, blockchain, AI finance tools, digital payments and tokenization will provide a massive advantage. If money is digital, programmable, and tracked, how do you keep freedom and grow wealth? Don't park 100% in one system. Mix traditional accounts, self-custody hardware wallets, and hard assets like gold or real estate. Diversification today isn't just assets, it's payment rails. Learn decentralized tools that don't need a big brother to approve your transactions. Treat privacy like an investment. It compounds when you start early. Know the difference between a public key and a private key. One can be shared. The other must never leave your control. Backup recovery phrases offline. Test your restore before you fund. If you don't understand these basics, a glitch can become a catastrophe. International payment systems are forming new digital bridges. Your purchasing power depends on which ones win. Stay multi-rail, guard privacy, level up your literacy, track the bridges. Now, let's zoom out to where all of this is heading. The future of money is coming fast. It will be more convenient than we imagined, but the price will be privacy and control. My mission at invesYou is to make sure you're the one holding the remote, not the one being controlled. If this helped, don't miss our next deep dive, the hidden debt trap of 2026. Tap subscribe and join the invesYou community. Knowledge isn't just power. In the digital future, it's the only currency that matters. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.